Welcome to the next episode of my summer cocktail series. This week we're going to make a Huckleberry Margarita. Huckleberry Margarita is one of my favorite cocktails of late summer. And in late summer, you need a strong cocktail. Look, it's going to be 85 degrees today. There's tourists everywhere out there. And I swear that city slickers are moving into this valley so quick it's changing the way the air smells. Is that cologne? What the... Ah, man. Anyway, we're gonna need a strong one, and I'm gonna show y'all how to make it. Let's go take a walk. So huckleberry is a low shrub that likes to grow in kind of moist conifer forests between about 6,000 and 9,000 feet. It has alternate leaves that come to a point and they're very finely serrated. Now the fruit on there is what we're looking for. Fruit starts as kind of a cranberry color, but then it ripens into a deep purple. The cranberry colored ones are a little tart. The deep purple ones are more of a sweet tart, and that's what we're looking for in our drink. So we're gonna need to grab about a quarter cup of these to make our cocktail. So let's get picking. You're gonna need añejo tequila, something dark and spicy. Grand Teton Distilling Huckleberry flavored vodka, about a quarter cup of fresh picked huckleberries, Simply Limeade, a lime slice for the garnish, and ice cubes. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is take our huckleberries, mix it with ice, and give it a good shake. That way we bruise the fruit and release some of the flavor, but we don't mash it into a bloody pulp. Perfect. Should be purple now. We're gonna wanna add about 1.5 shots of Grand Teton Huckleberry vodka. Ah, this stuff's so good you can drink it by itself. But why would you? And then you're gonna wanna give a full shot of some añejo tequila. Get something brown, get something on the top shelf. It tastes better that way. Give it a shot. Perfect. Then, let's fill it up the rest of the way with Simply Limeade. Looking good. And then, squeeze a wedge of lime in there. Drop it in for a garnish. Give it a little stir. Now that, my friends, is a delicious cocktail. Y'all enjoy. Baby, that's good.